want to buy or sell gift cards? And are you looking for a platform that will not run away with your money? Come closer, let me show you this platform. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can buy or sell gift card on this platform. I'm also going to show you, before we go on, I need you to like the video and share this video on all platforms wherever you are watching from. First of all, the first thing you're going to start by doing is to download the app with the comments in the description box or the pinned comment, depending on whichever platform you are watching. Now when you download it, fill in your details. It'll ask you for your name, your email, fill in all your necessary details. After you fill in your necessary details, then you can open the app. You'll be logged into the app. Coincola App, that's the name of the app. Coincola App. On Coincola App, apart from trading gift cards, you can also trade crypto, but that's not why we are here. We want to talk about how you can sell your gift cards on this app. But if you are into crypto, you can as well make use of the app to sell your crypto to Naira. Coincola has a 24/7 support, so you can chat them on Telegram, Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. On the app, you get all their details, so in case you need to chat with their support, you can chat with them. Before we go on, please like this video if you have not yet liked the video, and let me know in the comment section where you are watching from. Now on Coincola App, you can use crypto to buy gift card, not only Naira, so that is an additional benefit. Okay, on the app you can trade all manner of gift cards from iTunes, Apple, Google, any type of gift card that you are thinking about, you can trade it on the app. They are also going to ask you to verify your identity on the app, just to fulfill the country you are based in, the requirements from the government. So don't be afraid when they ask you to verify your identity on the app. So on the app, they have different vendors who you can sell your gift cards to, depending on the volume of gift card that you want to sell. So you look at the one that works for you and you do business, you trade with them. So you can see that there are different types of vendors. So if you want to trade, there are some vendors that their limit is 300 to 2000 USD worth of gift card. They are there. The ones that are higher than that, they are also there. So you see, it depends on what you want to do. Now, like I said, you can either use BTC, USDT or Ethereum to trade. So there's no gift card you want to trade that you will not see. There's Amazon gift card here. You can trade Amazon gift card, American Express gift card, Apple Store gift card, Google Play gift card, One Vanilla Visa, Razer Gold, Steam Wallet, Walmart Visa card, gift card, iTunes, Disney gift card, Airbnb gift card, Amazon gift card, Apple Store gift card, Bed Bath and Body Beyond gift card, Best Buy gift card, Blizzard gift card. You know, it's a lot. Target gift card, Uber Eats, Uber gift card, Ulta gift card, Visa gift card, Victoria's Secret gift card, Walmart gift card, eBay gift card. So you just select the one that you want to make use of. Another part of this app you need to know is your wallet. So you can see on your wallet you have P2P, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, BCH, Ripple. You can use any of these to trade on the app. So let's just go an overview. So you have P2P, so you can deposit here. Click on deposit, so you can deposit with crypto, any kind of crypto. You can use it to deposit. You can also withdraw with crypto, transfer, you see. So that's for your wallet on the app. Let's go to account. So on accounts, you see you have to verify your identity. There's a security center, customer support. In case you have any unresolved issues, this is where you are going to come to. I'm going to put my referral code on the screen. So if you want to download Coincola, you can download the app, use the referral code and register and do a transaction. You have your settings, so any type of theme, your preferred currency. They have different currencies, American, Afghanistan, wherever you are, there are different currencies. So you can trade. Let's go back. Okay, so this is a gift card place, buy or sell. If you want to sell, you post your offer, what you want to sell, and yeah, but you have to complete your verification in order to. For your level 1 verification, you need your identity document and facial verification. So to do this verification is so that you can do P2P transactions of up to 100,000 USD daily and crypto withdrawals of 500,000 USD daily. Then level 2 identity verification includes your proof of residence. Okay, so that's your NEPA bill, anything to show that, usually is your NEPA bill, that you live in that particular place. Then you can do unlimited P2P transactions and withdraw up to $1,000 USD daily. So that's why you need to do your verification and not be scared about doing your verification. Do that. Anyway, it's very simple and it's very fast. So I'm going to put a link in the description box, okay, and start trading on Coincola app. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.